Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove shipping calculated at checkout. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, I am right now on my Shopify store. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the left side of the screen and then go down until you find online store. Once you find it, just go ahead and click on it. And once you're here, if you scroll down, we're going to find some themes. You can, if you like one theme, just click on add and then you can change to that theme. So once you're here, go ahead and next to customize, click on these three dots. Once you click on these three dots, so once you do that, just go to edit default theme content, click on it, and then you're gonna be right here in theme content. As you can see guys, we are in the general section. So just go ahead and search for sections. It's gonna be here in the right next to checkout and system. Click on it. And then once you click on sections, go to hit Control plus F on your keyboard and then search for checkout or type taxes. And then as you can see guys right here, you're going to find taxes included, but shipping at checkout. And right here, you're going to find taxes, discount, and calculated at checkout. So basically guys, what you need to do guys right now is select all of this and delete it. Once you remove it, you will be removing the shipping calculated at checkout. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.